2017 Prius Prime USB aux port replacement. What's up, guys? I'm in a 2017 Prius Prime. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB auxiliary cord port right here in the center console. This one's bad. It's actually not too bad. This one's just worn out. It wore out over time. So what I use is a small little flathead, and you kind of want to one-shot this because you don't want to scratch your console up. You're going to take your flathead and go right in between the USB port and the panel. And we're just going to go right between them and then just gently pop it up like that. It should pop up enough to where you can grab it with your fingers and pull it straight upwards. Now when you pull it straight upwards, it's going to have a wire harness on it, and the wire harness doesn't come out at all. But you could still reach the connector, and what you want to do is there's a little thumb tab. You want to push this little thumb tab down and then try to leave the connector on like the inside ridge of that hole so it doesn't drop back into the console. I'm just going to do it. I couldn't really get a good camera shot of doing it, sorry, but basically there's just like a little thumb tab. You could feel it with your finger. It'll just go down. You're like, oh, okay, so push that down, hold it down, and then pull the port off. Here's the part number. This is a link I'm going to put to a Toyota parts dealer. Currently, this isn't sold on Amazon. They have a ton of close ones, but not the exact one. Check for updated links anyway. I update the links regularly. When you get your new one, we're going to take this and just plug it in. Here's the connector right here. Again, try not to drop that in the center console there, and you want to use two hands and then just push the connector into the USB, and once it like went in and snapped or whatever, you just go ahead and push this down. This will snap and lock into place, and that's it. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Auxito.com promo code. Now Auxito has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Auxito headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.